YouTube, what's up, man? I got a very important package in today. Babyliss Pro Gold Fx. Man, I dropped them and the blade chipped, man. Let me show you guys what I got right here. Brand new blade. Do not drop these Babyliss, man, because they are expensive. The blade alone was $50. Let me show you guys what it looked like. All right, I'm inside, but yeah. The blade alone was $50, man. That is a lot of money for a blade. When the clippers was $200, $165. Get everything going. I'll show y'all my little walls. Updated my wall. But yeah, here's the blade. That joint dropped, and that one little chip right there, $50. So be very careful when you charging these Gold FX Babyliss trimmers, because they fall, that blade will chip, man, just like the Andy T outliner. It's a thin blade, and that joint chip. But I ordered this on eBay, $48, $50. I know now just to be very careful. I'm gonna put this blade on, and I'm gonna show y'all how this new blade hitting, man. This blade already is zero gapped. I already looked at it. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna start getting back on my grind, making my videos. I got new Nipsey Hussle picture, Tupac. I got a Malcolm X joint in there too. But yeah, I'm gonna get back on making my videos, man. I'm gonna show y'all how this new blade is hitting, and I'm out. All right, guys, I got the blade off. The chip blade, and it's as simple as just putting this piece, this new blade comes intact just like that, and it's as simple as putting that joint just right back in there. It has a little piece right there that it fits in, and you make sure that this black part is lined up in that piece. Put these screws back in, and yeah, it just sits back in there, and it don't get any easier than this for a blade replacement. And there we go. That's how you change the Gold Babyliss FX blade. Simple, man. You just take one off and put the new one right on. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. It fits right in place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.